Good afternoon, Bina.
Good afternoon, Teacher Nisan.
So you're done writing?
Yes.
Let's check.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
So for you to pass, I need to ask you 5 questions. 4, 8,
20, 32,
7, 3,
21,
4, 2,
8,
9, 6,
54,
7, 3,
21,
7, 7,
49,
2, 8,
16,
4, 6,
24.
So you passed, and I hope next time dili na ma-fail na. And then practice multiplication. Goodbye for now, Rubina.
Bye, Teacher Nisan. Thank you.